Where were the plays put on back then?
A place called Kadima. That was in Lygon Street, Carlton. That was our home.
Can you describe the space, the theater space?
Yes, well, it's just an ordinary theater. The long hall, stage. Capacity was approximately, I think, 150 or 200 maximum. Quite a lot of performances were standing room only. And some performances we were looking for public.
What was the backstage like?
It was actually quite comfortable backstage. We had 2 rooms, one for female, one for male, with mirrors with lights on it. There was a man by the name of Brustman. He used to put on the makeup for us. Yes. And he would whistle in our ears as he was putting on the makeup. Such a wonderful person he was. Such a wonderful person.